So today, we will use ChatGPT to create an itinerary. If this is the first time you are using ChatGPT, then in the browser, type chatgpt.com. Click Sign Up to create a new account. Add your email address and continue, or sign up by choosing any of these options. Once you create a new account and log in to that account, you should see something similar. You should see your profile picture on the top right side. Then in the middle, you should see an input box where you can ask ChatGPT any questions. Since we will be creating an itinerary, in this input box, I will ask this question. I'm interested in a 1 week holiday in England, focusing on nature, family, and beach. Where do you recommend? List me the name of the places, please. Hit enter or click this icon, and it will quickly respond to us with various places we can visit based on what we have asked for. Now, let's say we will visit Cornwall. So let's ask, list top 10 places to visit in Cornwall. It will then give us the list of 10 places to visit in Cornwall with some information. Now, let's ask an additional question about Tintagel Castle. So I will ask, are there any hidden gems near Tintagel Castle? It will then give us the list of places we can visit near Tintagel Castle. Now, let's ask about the places where we can enjoy the food. What are some of the best English dishes I can try during my stay at Cornwall? Now, it gives us a list of English dishes we can try during the stay in Cornwall. Now, let's ask, I'm spending 4 nights and 5 days in Cornwall. How should I split my time to best enjoy this attraction and meals? It now gives us the information about where we should visit each day. If you scroll up, the first day is the arrival time and Tintagel exploration. It also gave us detailed information about where we should visit in the morning, afternoon, and in the evening. Likewise, there is detailed information from day 2 to day 5. Now, I want to know how much time does it take to visit different places. So let's ask, how much time does it normally take to visit each popular destination? Then give us time needed to visit different places. Now, I want to ask one last question. I would like to visit all the places you mentioned in Cornwall. Is it possible to see them all, and can you help organize them for the most efficient route? This time, it showed us the detailed information along with the time needed to visit each place. So you can see how ChatGPT can help us in answering all the questions we have asked. There is one thing you should keep in mind. While ChatGPT can help with planning the structure, offer recommendation, and provide general information, certain elements like real-time information, personal preferences, and flexibility will require your own judgment and involvement. This is the end of this final session. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn Introduction to Generative AI. I will see you again in my next video.